ibalik sa House at pasag, maybe I can state it, Mr. President, no? So ang akin pong amendment ay ibalik sa House at ipa-certify sa House na number 1, including the circumstances, na hindi nila binayolate yung Constitution in entertaining more than one impeachment complaint in 1 year. Number 2, na interesado silang ituloy ang impeachment complaint. At pangatlo, yung pangatlo, Mr. President, is really the judges noong 20th kung anong gusto nilang gawin. So nasa atin yun, hindi sa House, no? Ang problema, Mr. President, hindi ang 19th Congress ang sasagot nito, yung 20th Congress. Kasi kahit sumagot bukas na gusto nilang tumuloy at i-certify nila, paano kung yung 20th Congress ibalik naman? So I'm open to an amendment to my amendment. I'm just saying I think there is wisdom now in not dismissing it. And there's nothing lost na ibalik ito sa Kongreso at ayusin nila yung isasubmit sa atin. Re-reiterate ko yung sinabi ko po kahapon o nung isang araw. Hindi natin kasalanan na last day of session, February 5. Marami po tayong kasalanan, hindi tayo naghuhugas kamay. Pero hindi natin kasalanan na last day denial, na yung pang-apat ang denial, at naging eleksyon habang denial. That is why there is wisdom in remanding it rather than dismissing it or rather than ituloy natin bukas as if walang nangyari. Just a last point. I don't agree totally with Brother Robin na hindi natin ginawa yung legislative agenda, yung mga ipapasa. Pero nakita naman po natin, BICAM report na lang po. The reality is, kung tutuloy natin debate until 10, 11 tonight, pagdating natin bukas mag-impeachment court, lahat ng mga BICAM na yon balik to square one at marami doon ay sayang. Pwede na talagang i-take up agad-agad, Mr. President. So the amendment to it is, instead of dismissing, is ibalik sa Kongreso and then subject to style, no? I-certify ng Kongreso na hindi nila nilabas ang Constitution in more than one filing, and number 2, na interesado silang ituloy at siling nakatapos ng prosecutors.